It's inevitable if you're going to be on YouTube. Sooner or later, you're going to get some of these sponsor guys sending you these emails that, hey, GBG, we want you to do an honest and fair product review of our product if we send you a product. So I was like, well, what kind of product do you have? And I don't really buy into this stuff too much, guys. I don't, I mean, this is an actual curiosity here. So this actually is a genuine product review if there ever was one. But this is a company called Auxito. Auxito, I think I'm saying that right. They sell LED light products of different kinds. And they were very, very nice people to deal with. And I've got my daughter, Heather, my youngest daughter, has a 2017 Toyota Camry SE that she loves. She named it Bertha because she recently had her first car accident, as we all do as a teenager. She's got one headlight that's like brand new, and she's got one headlight that's originally from 2017 that's all hazy and foggy, which I've got to take care of before I install these Auxito H8, H9, H11 LED bulbs. I'm really curious about this because, I don't know, I'm just curious about this. LED is an amazing technology, really. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. You know a package is good when you got to get some kind of a tool to get into it, because it's like child-proof packaging. This is like, if the product is as good as the cellophane, they're onto something. There we go. Okay. Kind of like opening an old-fashioned pack of cigarettes back in the 80s, but they had that little pull tab you could just unwind. And a nice two-piece box here. Oh, look. It's got a glove in there. Got gloves in there to hold the... Now, I highly doubt this glove is going to fit my hand, but I've got other gloves I can use because I've got extra large hands.
There's a giant mosquito on you.
Okay.
I got it.
That's because we live in Florida, baby. Got some zip ties and a little Allen wrench. Here's our bulbs, and I believe they come with these wiring harnesses here to connect to the car. And these may have... Now, I'm not an LED light expert, that's for sure. These plugs may have like built-in like resistors or rectifiers or something that they call them, but they look like a really good quality product, and I'm not going to touch them. Well, I'll touch the base. Can't touch the glass. I believe that's the important part. And since these gloves are so small, I actually have a very good idea of somebody that might be able to wear these. Heather.
They're very stretchy.
They're very stretchy. Might just have a little assistant here. There you go.
Time.
Yeah, that's never going to fit me. Hold your hand up. Yeah, I mean, that's just, there's just no way. I got like the hamburger helper hands here,
Wait,
you know.
try it. They're really stretchy.
Are they? Well, let me try
They're
one.
very stretchy, actually.
You know what? These are going right in the toolbox when I'm done with this. Oh, I see what the problem is with the gloves. You can't touch your phone anymore. It won't let you touch any buttons. This is the headlight that was replaced in the car accident, Heather. And this is the headlight that was original to the car, and it's all foggy. And the lights look different to me. The one on the left looks like it's a different shade than the one on the right.
I actually thought I was going crazy because that light is like not as bright as the other one.
Really?
That one driving at night is brighter, which makes no sense because it's foggy.
New one.
The one on the left is like, may as well not even be there sometimes. It's not bright enough.
Well, we're going to fix that. That's the whole
Yes.
goal of this, guys. Line up the edge between the plastic and the chrome. Okay. And just kind of stick it to the chrome. That's going to protect the chrome from any damage from restoring the headlight, okay? One of the joys in life is to do something with your children. Now that my daughter has a busy little working career and she's getting ready to go to college sometime soon, I hope, I don't get to see her as much because she's a social butterfly too. And I gonna relish this moment. I told her I wasn't gonna videotape her too, but guess what? And you'll understand all this when we get to the proper steps, okay? Okay, we are taped off. Now set your tape to the side. My daughter put a drop of Dial hand soap in there, antibacterial, so that'll help clean up these headlights a little bit better, sanitize them. Okay, this is an old worn out piece of 1500 grit sandpaper. Now what we're doing here, Heather, is there's a layer of plastic on the headlight. Okay, the whole thing's made out of plastic. The sun damages the outer plastic. So we're sanding off the damaged plastic, getting it down to nice virgin raw plastic, and then you have to polish that back up. Okay. But we're going to start on 1500 because her car is not that bad. If it was really bad, I would probably start at 800 or even 600 and dry sand it. But we're going to wet sand it with 1500, okay?
It's like a nail file.
Exactly. It's just like filing down nails.
Different grit.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. If you got to make girls understand it, just use the nail salon example, and that'll do it, right? And we're just going to wet.
I was like, what are you doing?
I'm going to spray the sandpaper. Okay, we're going to spray the sandpaper really, really good, okay?
Oh, spray the headlight?
Yeah, I'm going to spray the headlight too.
Right.
Okay, now you're going to sand the headlight.
Let's start over here.
Yes, but you're going to use even pressure across every bit of the plastic, okay?
I gotta get the corner.
You want it to be as even and as uniform as you can possibly make it. Now you know why we put the tape on, so it doesn't scratch up your paint.
The color is disgusting.
You see all that yellowish water running out of there, Heather?
Uh-huh.
That is the old plastic. The old UV damaged plastic is being removed as you sand, okay?
Fun stuff, fun stuff.
This is also sandpaper, and by the way, everybody, I made another video recently about this Saker cordless buffer, and this thing is fantastic. You need to get one of these. So Heather, the first sandpaper we did was coarser grit. This is finer grit.
Okay.
Okay. So we're just gonna spray this sander right here, buffer thingy, and this has a variable speed on it. It goes fast or slow, and we just need to go slow. So I'm going to take the same water, and I'm going to take and spray this bonnet. This is a cutting bonnet. Yes, you can polish plastic and paint, yeah. And we're just going to put a dab. What's going on here?
Is there a seal in it?
Oh, yeah, I never used this one before. I forgot.
Yeah, there's a seal in there.
When I did the Mustang, I messed up and I used the wrong stage. I was supposed to use this one, and I opened the other one and used it. So.
I remember that.
But it speaks volumes about the quality of this stuff, because that did a pretty good job. All right, now take the bonnet and smear it all over the headlight.
Without turning it on?
Without turning it on. Smear it all over the place until you can barely see the chemical anymore, kind of.
You're gonna mess up my paint.
You're not going to mess up your paint, baby. I'm not going to tell you to do anything that's going to hurt your car or yourself. You put it against there, and this is a very lightweight, very well-balanced buffer. And you start doing it like this, okay?
Alrighty.
And you can put a little bit of pressure on it, and you're just going to go over the whole headlight. You can go all over the tape. You're not going to hurt the paint. So just do that for, I don't know, about an hour or so.
Yeah.
No, not that long.
I want to drive that Toyota truck, actually.
You do? Okay,
Yes.
cool. Well, I'm glad you want to drive it, because it's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. It's better already, doesn't it?
Take it all off.
Dang, that actually looks pretty good, kiddo, doesn't it?
Looks pretty clear.
Yeah, much clearer than it was. So now we're going a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
So what I was saying to do is to go pick a little spot, go back and forth, and you overlap your strokes a little bit, okay?
Okay.
And then in that same spot, that same distance or width, you start going up and down. And you overlap the strokes the same way. Once all the material is gone and it starts looking clear, there's nothing left to polish with. Oh yeah, what a difference, jeez. There was a black one in this kit, but I don't know where it went. Black would be ideal to polish with, but since we don't have that, we're going to use this, and we're going to use the polish, which is right over here. Okay. We're going to give this a squirt now. Okay, take it off camera and run it for a second to fling the extra water off. So we're going to put a couple like that. That's all you need.
Oh, that's a terrible noise.
It'll be a little bit different, so. I absolutely love that little cordless buffer. That thing is fantastic. By the way, Heather, this is exactly like what you can do to a paint job on a car.
Really?
If you get a scratch. Yeah.
Well, I got a nice big old scratch right on the side of my car.
We'll save that for another day. All right. You did a way better job than I would do. That is amazing. Jeez. Okay, now I'm going to rinse it off one final time with just this soapy water, or this mostly water. So here, you do it then. There you go. Spray it down really good and then wipe it off. That'll get all the extra polish off. Okay, Heather Bean got the headlight looking pretty good, and we went ahead and washed the other headlight over there and got all the bird crap and everything off of it. So we're going to clear coat both of these with one of these 3M headlight clear coat that I found in the bottom of a drawer. And then you can go and wipe the other headlight down. Then it's supposed to dry for an hour before you turn the headlights on or expose it to precipitation, but they generally underrate things like that. So we're gonna just burn the headlights right after the other coat is on there and we get the new bulbs installed, okay? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the second coat of this clear on the headlights because I think it's been plenty of time now.
I think this one's nice and good.
Yeah, it says don't mess with it anymore.
Okay.
And we don't do anything for an hour. So we're gonna jump on the headlight bulbs now. And we're down to the heart of the matter here. I think this is a pretty easy deal here. Should be able to push this down. I'll push that down. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll set this one up here. Now hand me. Oh yeah, this is gonna be sweet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plug, this wiring harness, and it goes on only one direction, just like this. And then this thing just sticks in here very carefully. So we'll just zip tie this up over here. Okay. And you'll hear it go zzz when it's right, okay?
Both sides are also flat.
Hear that? Zzz, zzz,
Yep.
zzz. Do it.
I heard it.
Zzz, do it, Heather.
I
Do it.
can't do
Zzz.
that.
Okay. You can't do that?
No,
You can't go zzz?
I also can't like roll R's.
Oh, well, I can't do that either.
I have like a speech impediment or something.
Okay, so far here's the difference. There's a new Auxito, and there's the regular old, whatever that is, halogen bulb, I guess. Okay, you see what to turn out, right?
Is it this thing right here?
Yes, that one.
How do I
Turn it counterclockwise, and then it pulls out. Push down that tab. You were trying to pull the whole wiring harness out, baby.
I don't know what that means. It's so far down in there.
We'll push on the tab, baby. There you go. Set it up there.
Oh.
And plug that in first. Make sure you're plugging it in the correct direction. There's a notch on it for the clip.
Okay.
Did it go together?
Yep.
Okay. Turn it in different angles until it goes in there and seats. You'll feel it seat.
I got it.
You sure?
Yep, positive.
Let me have a look. See if you are greasebelly garage material. You absolutely are. You absolutely nailed it.
Just gotta turn it in there.
Go turn your lights on again, baby.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Wow, what a difference. So Heather's going to go ahead and peel all the tape off.
Satisfying part.
The satisfying part, exactly.
She's gorge.
Okay. Wow. Like me and my 17-year-old daughter put these headlights in, and I gotta admit, they're really impressive. I mean, super duper impressive. It's these Auxitos LEDs, and I think, I don't know, Y19. Maybe that means something. Maybe it doesn't. My daughter's like really battling the flying creatures around here tonight in Florida. But I highly recommend these to anybody that's got any questions about LED lights. These have really good, consistent light, and they look great when she's coming down the road. She's really looking forward to driving tonight to see what it will look like, right, baby?
I'm excited.
Yeah, really excited. I can tell you're really excited.
My last headlight sucked.
Yeah, she's looking forward to a big improvement, and I think we've got it. I'm pleased to report that my daughter is extremely happy with the brightness and the improvement in her headlights, especially driving at night on dark roads in rural parts of Florida. And I am impressed with how well my daughter took in the headlight restoration process and how easy these bulbs were to install. I've been skeptical about LED bulbs for a long time, but these things are absolutely great. You can buy them with absolute confidence. I'm going to try to put some kind of a discount code down in the comments if I can get one from Auxito. I forgot to do that. You might as well get the discount. You know, I'm not a sales pitch kind of guy. This is an honest product review for these lights, and I highly recommend them. These are going in my Excursion. I want to get my Excursion on the road. And in the future, for the other cars that I have, I will definitely consider these. I don't know if they have it for the old school sealed beam lights, but I know they have it for all the Euro plastic, you know, with the changeable bulb. So that's going to wrap it up for this episode of Grease Belly Garage with my 17-year-old daughter. And say bye, Heather.
Bye.
Bye. She doesn't like the camera. She will after today, right, baby?
Sure.
So if you got any comments, drop them down below. And got some really good stuff coming up in the coming weeks. So that's it for now. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will most certainly catch you on the flip side.
See you next time.
All right.
Tune in again.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.